Okay, it's time for another airplane a day. Apparently, not a lot of people are watching these because it's not very interesting. I understand that because my channel is dead. Anyways, today's calendar day is the 26th. So today's airplane is the Comet. Ooh, this looks fancy. So, first thing you do is valley fold in half and unfold it. Okay, making sure this is lined up and making sure I don't desync the video again. I do not want to edit. I want to take my tablet with me. Okay. And then fold the top right corner to the crease, making sure the fold starts from the top-ish hand corner. Like so. Yeah. Alright. Undo the fold me in step 1. Then you do the same thing on the other side with the right hand corner. Making one of these fancy folds. And then you unfold again. Step 4. And mirror image. Oh, now we gotta do it the long way. Okay, so now we do fold the top right corner into the other end of the crease, meaning step 1. Step 3. Like so. And then you do the same on the other side using this crease. And to line up into this crease. Okay, well, right fold. So then I need to fold into this corner here. I think that's the right fold we're trying to do here. Into the form shown in the top view. Oh wow, the collapsing part is very complicated. Many different folds combined. Okay, collapsing it, calypsoing it. It doesn't look very right, but it'll do. No, it actually it's supposed to look like this, kind of. Okay, fold the front wings in half as so, yeah. Okay, trying to fold these directly in here. So I think one side got longer than the other. That's what happened. Okay, I'm trying to salvage this because it doesn't look right. Kind of odd shaped. Tip of the nose downward. With the wing creases. I like the artwork though on this airplane. It's very interesting. And then with the wing crease, raise the rest of height. You don't have to do that. You just eyeball it. Alright, but that is basically it. Hopefully the camera didn't desync anytime soon. And it's upside down, as you can see. It's supposed to face like that. But, idiot is idiot. Actually, I folded it mountain instead of valley. That's what I did wrong. I always do that. Yeah, there we go. Now we just do the same folds as before, but the other way. And that's a simple solution to fix. I probably have this calendar too, so that's why probably not many people are watching it, or they are watching it, but it's not interesting, so they kind of turn off after 20 seconds. But there we go. There is the Comet. Not exactly the way it was intended to be filled, but it still flies. Alright, tune in tomorrow for another plane, another day. Airplanes every day. Hopefully.